Dr. Jannine Krause here at Serenity Spa Natural Health Clinic, and I'm going to show you what Gua Sha is. Gua Sha is also an ancient art here with the Chinese medicine. This is a soup spoon, and what it does is works to scrape the tissue. By scraping the tissue, I'm also bringing up blood flow to the surface. This does much similar to cupping, but what you can do with Gua Sha is that you can get to pinpoint areas. Like say right here, he's got a nice knot right at what we call the levator scap, and I can dig in there a little bit with that soup spoon and kind of move around. And it can help to break up some adhesions as well. I love this for after surgery. If someone's been cleared and they've been, you know, a couple weeks past surgery and it seems that scar tissue is really building up, Gua Sha is awesome for scar tissue buildup. It's also really awesome for helping to get mobility back. So say someone's got a frozen shoulder, maybe because of scar tissue building up in there after, you know, months and months of not being able to move that shoulder. I love using Gua Sha. Combination of Gua Sha with some e-stim, also gonna be amazing. The other cool thing about Gua Sha is that it's detoxifying. And so in a lot of your traditional Chinese medicine treatments, we see Gua Sha when someone has what we call a toxin invasion. What does that mean? Like a cold or a flu. And so moving down the channel here, your urinary bladder channel is one of those channels that we can get all kinds of toxins to release from. And so you can see here I'm making my patient's skin extra red, a little bit of purple there as well. Those are little tiny micro vessels, broken blood vessels really. I am doing that to him and he's full aware. Of course you wouldn't want to do this if you're going to wear a backless dress or you need to be at a party or going to the beach. But what this does is helps to get things to the surface. Why? Because a lot of times when we have pain or if we even have a cold or flu, things are trapped in our muscles. Sounds kind of weird, a little different than the regular conventional medicine thought process, but if we've got chronic pain, things are trapped in our muscles. This patient in particular has a lot of chronic pain in his neck, and so I also like Gua Sha because I can get into the neck a little bit better than with cups. Why? Because, well, let's face it, cups have flame. Sometimes people put hairspray in their hair, and there's no way that I would like anyone to be walking out of here missing hair, plus burnt hair smells gross. So I like to use some Gua Sha on the neck, especially when we're in the area trying to get this tissue just moving, because a lot of us have really locked up necks and lots of scar tissue. So nevertheless, this is Gua Sha. We can do this at any part of the body. I know I'm focusing heavily on the neck here, but you can work on the knee. If you've had a surgery and you're not getting the results in terms of mobility, you know, a couple months out from that surgery, Gua Sha is a good way to help to get that tissue moving. And so nevertheless, I'm Dr. Jannine Krause, and this is my demo on Gua Sha.